Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will show you how to add column in AppSheet. So first, what you're going to do is to create a database and import from your Google spreadsheet. And after that, you'll see this spreadsheet in the AppSheet. So from here, you can be able to see the entire spreadsheet. So at the right side, you'll be able to see the add column option, and what you're going to do is to click on that, and then you can choose the type of the data that you'll put in this column. So it has a lot of types in here, and then after that, just click save, and then that's it. I hope that this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.